And
I am
Avery.
from
you
my
say your name.
I'm Addison
And I'm Natalie.
Watch how big your chest these are.
Avery.
Stop.
Okay,
These are
forget
child
that.
friendly.
She's my inappropriate sister.
Yeah.
Oh my.
And she's like my half sister.
Yeah, we're like half sisters-ish.
Yeah.
Not stepsisters.
We're sisters.
Soul sisters.
Yeah. Okay, so
Don't even know if those are a thing, but whatever.
Addison is gonna be doing a slime collection.
collection.
So yeah.
And at the end of the video, stay posted because I might be mixing two of these slimes together.
And also, go subscribe to my channel.
Get your hair out of my ice cream.
Oh, come on.
I'm telling you right now, be quiet. Because in about 5 minutes, you have to be quiet, and I need this. So, sorry.
Okay, so subscribe to my channel to become an official Cool Kitty, and subscribe to her channel to become an official.
Simpson.
No.
She's still thinking of a name.
Yeah, and leave in the comments some suggestions that, like, if you subscribe, like, you probably know what I mean.
Yeah,
Just
like how I say subscribe to be a Cool Kitty, or
Maybe
like
a
that,
cool dog,
or like
cool puppy,
or like Automata Minion says subscribe to become an official minion. Like suggest things like that.
Uh-oh, I made a hole in the bag. Avery, can you give me a plastic bag?
I'm sitting on the couch.
Okay, guys, so Addison's going to be doing her slime collection, and at the end of the video, comment down your favorite slime and your least favorite slime. So yeah, let's get on with the video.
Oh, and subscribe to this channel, and,
Like this video. Let's try to get these videos to 30 likes.
30 likes, yeah.
Yeah.
30 likes. I'll be right
Dad,
back.
why did you post?
What? Because I can. Raindrop. Drop dog. Is that just Daisy doing that? Is that just Daisy doing that, or is there like a ghost?
No, it's Daisy and Milo always playing the blinds.
Oh. Okay, so on to the first slime. Do you start with your least favorite slime, then go to your favorite slime?
Least favorite. No. Least favorite. This is my least favorite slime.
Okay, so show it to both of the cameras.
Well, this is not my least favorite. I don't really have a least favorite.
Well, then just show them.
Wait, yes I do. Oh, this is my least favorite. It's flown.
It's not even a flown. Maybe stop. Wait, so did you show them this one?
No, not now.
Well, I'll show my camera. Okay.
That's your favorite?
No, I'm just showing them it.
That's my least favorite.
So this is Addison's least favorite slime. It's like a flown, but she used beanbag stuff.
Beanbag.
Beanbag beads instead of foam beads, and it's really cool. Should put slime in there. This is a really, really cool slime. I wish I could make one.
Mom! We're posting a YouTube video and we don't want
You guys
bad
are
words.
going to be quiet in a few minutes. I have a job I have to do, so don't tell me what, you're swearing. Quit. I don't care. You're not going to tell me what I'm doing. I'm supposed to be doing a job, and the one didn't work out.
no, you show that camera. So. See. Wow, I kicked the table.
Hey, if you guys don't have a phone case, I have a life hack. Watch.
Okay, Addison, I think we're just going to have to redo this video. So sorry about that brief pause for you guys. It was only like a millisecond. But anyways,
This is my least favorite slime. It's like
yeah.
blown and it's like hard.
Okay, I'm going to show them this one now.
This is my least favorite. My second least favorite.
Girls, what did I say?
It's Avery.
Avery, knock it off.
I'm playing with a balloon.
I don't care. You need to be quiet. I told you guys that when I picked Natalie up.
Okay, so this is another slime that Addison made. It's not even really a slime. It's just
It's like a dough. I made it with shampoo and flour.
Yeah, she made this with
What's that
shampoo and
address?
flour.
Who are you giving it to? Kaden?
Gum. Whoa.
Okay, so here it is. It's just like it doesn't even like. It's not even like slime. It's more just like a dough.
If you're wondering what I'm eating, it's gum that is like broken into like tiny little pieces. So yeah. Juicy fruit.
It's all crumbly at first. So now you show them that one.
This is probably my favorite.
I'll show them this slime, the one that dyes your hands.
682 Caribbean Road.
Avery! They could hear that!
Wait, maybe
Well,
they
listen, you guys are going to have to log off that live me. I can't have you guys doing a live feed while I'm trying to do a
They're
job.
doing a YouTube video.
Well, regardless, they're going to have to go somewhere else and do it.
Okay, so here's Addison's
We gotta
blue
go off
slime.
really quick, so
Yeah,
we're just gonna like
we'll just pause the video, then we'll go up into your room, okay?
Whoa. What just happened?
Okay, so yeah, we're gonna pause the videos and we're gonna go upstairs, okay?
No, we're not.
Okay, well then we're gonna have to rush through. So this is Addison's blue slime.
Yeah, and probably next video we'll mix them.
I don't want to hear that balloon sound while I'm going live.
Show them that. Show them this one. Show them this one. So next I'll show you.
This is the one that stains your hands.
So next I'll show
So, yeah.
you this purple one.
Girls, I'm going live in about 2 minutes.
Okay.
I know.
So this is a purple one with some blue in it.
I know, we're gonna try to hurry up.
Make your way upstairs. We'll be done.
Okay, so onto the final slime that she has. It's this one. Addison, show them. This one. So this is a really thick slime, which I actually like thick slimes. Okay, so now I'm just gonna pause the video until Addison's done doing hers, then we'll mix together the two slimes. Okay guys, so now we're going to be mixing together the two slimes, right?
Not the whole entire thing.
Listen, I'm going live. You can't be talking. So I told you guys upstairs or
Can we
We done.
finish really quick?
I have a job I have to do.
I know, but it'll just be like a minute.
No, it won't be. I can almost guarantee it won't be. Honey, this isn't making you.
So wait, bye guys. So we'll mix the slime in another video. Bye.